I'm going to build Tubalcain's single-acting spool valve engine. And it's going to be almost exactly like his, with a few modifications, of course. You always have to have modifications. I believe his overall length of the engine, with cylinder, valve, upright, base, is 4.5 inches, because he sinks his flywheel down into the mount that is not shown here. I'm not going to do that. My flywheel is going to stand within the engine itself. So this is a 6-inch piece of aluminum, and I actually have a drawing, which I'm not real sure shows up at all, that I created. I'll be going by that. The flywheel was given to me by a kind soul on the Home Machinist Forum years ago, and I've never used it. In fact, he gave me 2 of them. I've built several flywheels, but they're all kind of ugly. I'm going to try to use this one. This is a .060 something, I think, chunk of piece of bronze, hardware store. It's it's 0.075. So that ought to work. I've got both some heavier and some thicker and thinner bronze material I could use, but I believe I'll use this, try to use this. And a piece of 3/8 inch drill rod I'll use for the